Hello everyone. This video will serve as a guide to install the software which accompanies an EXAIR digital flow meter. In order to install the software, take the installation disk and put it into the DVD drive and plug the USB connector into an open port on your computer. Once that's done, you'll want to open up the software and go into My Computer and find it here. Double click and it will guide you through the installation of the software. Click Next. Accept the terms and conditions. Click Next and install. And that's it. Go ahead and click Finish. At this point, you're given a prompt to install the driver for the USB. Go ahead and do that. Click Install. And click OK. Alright, at this point all the software is installed and we need to configure the USB drive before we can take any measurements. So double click on Easy Log USB and then choose the green button at the top, Set up and start the USB data logger. On this first screen you can choose to change the name of your data logger and the sample rate. Make sure you choose Custom Calibration and click Next. The default value is a percentage, but we don't want a percentage. We want a flow rate such as SCFM or cubic meters per minute. So type in SCFM, or if you're using one of our meters that has cubic meters per minute, type in M3 per minute. And then below that there are the calibration points. In my first video around the 2-minute and 5 or 2-minute and 10-second mark, I made reference to this. For this meter, my values are exactly as they stand. 4 milliamps equals 0 SCFM, 20 milliamps equals 200 SCFM. So put in your value into the bottom right corner here. This is where your max output value will go. And then click Next. The next screen shows the alarm values. These are high and low values over or under which you would like to be aware of a flow value. You can set these wherever you like and then click Next. Choose the date you want to start data logging and click Finish. Okay, so it's all set up. At this point you want to take the USB drive out of the computer, go plug it into the digital flow meter and take some measurements. Okay, I took some measurement readings. Now I'm going to plug the USB back into the computer. It registers. I want to choose the red button in the middle, stop the USB data logger and download data. Click OK. And here I'll be given a prompt to save the data. So I save mine under Data Logger Records, choose Save, and then I'm given the graph. This is the compressed airflow of the measurements that I just took. You can see on the left side the SCFM readings, and along the x-axis you can see the time. If you like, you can also export this to an Excel file by clicking the green Export button at the top. From here, you can manipulate the values as you like, or you can change it into a different kind of graph or into another spreadsheet. If you have any questions, contact an EXAIR application engineer.